Equivalent fractions and simplest form. Equivalent fractions and simplest form. Let us start with an example. There are 6 toffees. 2 friends divide them equally, so they get 3 toffees each. It means each of them gets 3 out of 6 or 3 by 6. But what did they actually do? They divided 6 toffees into 2 equal shares. That means each of them got half of collection. So, half or 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 6. In the same way, if we take half a dozen apples, the half of 12 is 6, as 12 divided by 2 is 6. If we make 4 parts of 12 apples, if we take 2 parts, we get 6 apples. That is, 2 by 4 of 12 is 6, because 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. Similarly, if we make 6 parts of 12 apples, each part has 2 apples. If we take 3 parts, then we get 6 apples again. 1 by 6 of 12 is 2. 3 by 6 of 12 is 3 times of 2, equal to 6. In every case, we get 6 apples. Then we can say 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6. These types of fractions are called equivalent fractions. Find equivalent fractions. To find equivalent fraction of a given fraction, just multiply or divide both numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. For example, to get equivalent fractions of 1 by 3, 1 multiplied by 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 2 by 6. Similarly, 1 multiplied by 3 by 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 3 by 9. 1 multiplied by 4 by 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 4 by 12. 2 by 6, 3 by 9, 4 by 12 are equivalent fractions of 1 by 3. Let us use division to get the equivalent fraction. Let's observe these blocks. From each one, we have selected 3 by 4th of it. If the same blocks have been divided by one horizontal cut, the same fraction represents 6 by 8. By 2 horizontal cuts, the same fraction represents 9 by 12. By 3 horizontal cuts, the same fraction represents 12 by 16. By 5 horizontal cuts, the same fraction represents 18 by 24, and so on. To test whether the given fractions are equivalent or not, cross-multiply the given fractions. That means A multiplied by D and B multiplied by C. If AD equal to BC, we can say that the given fractions are equivalent. For example, A 2 by 8 and 8 by 32. Let us check if these fractions are equivalent or not. Cross-multiply the fractions. 2 multiplied by 32 equals to 64 and 8 multiplied by 8 equals to 64. Since both are equal, the given fractions are equivalent. 2 by 8 equal to 8 by 32. 4 by 7 and 20 by 45. Cross-multiply the fractions. 4 multiplied by 45 equal to 180 and 7 multiplied by 20 equal to 140. Since they are not equal, the given fractions are not equivalent. 4 by 7 is not equal to 20 by 45. Summary: